Hello, hi, welcome, my name's Crow and welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little short video, and it's to make a sound demonstration video for one of the Etsy listings that we have, and it's for this beautiful buffalo skin drum just here. It's a 16-inch frame and as you can see it's rather pretty. If I turn it over you can see on the back here that we've got this cross handle which is made from hazel branches. It's got some wool bound on there for the trim and a couple of crow feathers as well to bring in that crow energy into the drum. On the inside of the frame here I put the date of birth, and that's to allow you to make formulate a birth chart, if you like. Find out what energies were around on the day when the drum was birthed. This particular drum, 23rd of March 2022 in Knighton, Powys, UK. I've also popped in my maker's mark in there as well, Driftwood Hollow Drums. So let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a firm beater and a soft beater. Both give a slightly different sound, and both of those will be available as an option at the checkout if you decide to purchase the drum. So here we go. I'm going to start with the firmer beater. Okay, and then the softer beater, if I can find it in my back pocket. Here we go. I love the soft beaters, they're so gentle and soft. Gives a more muted type sound, but that's just my preference. So yeah, it's very difficult buying online, and I do appreciate, and that's why we make these little videos, to allow you to come and have a little listen so that you know what you're looking at properly. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching, bye for now.